A lot of you guys always ask, what is the difference between Shopify dropshipping and Amazon FBA? Let's break this down in 3 simple comparison points so that you can make your choice. Shopify dropshipping and Amazon FBA is really quite similar, but the difference comes into 3 different points when it comes to profits, customer acquisition, and the risk involved. So right off the bat, and this is a little bit biased because I'm into dropshipping, Shopify dropshipping will give you naturally higher margins just because of the fact that Amazon actually takes out 8 to 15% out of your profit depending on your products. Where in Shopify, you're only paying this 2% for your transaction fees and you get to set your own price and get to keep all the margins. Although Shopify dropshipping is actually more profitable, but it's harder to get sales, and that's where customer acquisition comes into play. When selling on Amazon, you're making use of the huge database of customers that you already have. I don't know, I'm not sure exactly the number is, but they have millions of visitors coming in every day and shopping online in their store. So when it comes to Amazon customer acquisition, it's pretty much automated if your listing is ranking in page 1. But most of the cases, or most of the times, your product will be in page 30, even 50 when you first start. However, when it comes to Shopify dropshipping, it's actually just straight up pay to play. So you're paying for traffic in order to make sales. So you have to be good at ads, marketing, creatives, a lot of skills that you have to learn to succeed in this business, but it really pays off. And the last and most important part is the risk involved. So when it comes to Amazon FBA, you are going to have to order in bulk just to start up. So imagine ordering 1,000 pieces of a product and then praying to God that it will sell out. When it comes to Shopify dropshipping, the startup cost is actually quite minimal because you don't have to buy any inventory upfront. You have to test the idea with a small budget marketing campaign. And then if you have a proof of concept, you start selling that product and you can actually move to branding later on down the line. So in terms of risk, I would say Amazon FBA is way more risky because you could spend thousands of dollars just buying inventory and then you end up just stuck with this product and you can't find any way to sell it. Whereas in Shopify, you're probably gonna spend like $100 on a Facebook ad campaign or TikTok ads. And if it doesn't sell, it's not the end of the world because it's a very small amount and you can keep moving and testing other products. Just to recap, in terms of profitability, Shopify wins. In terms of easy customer acquisition, Amazon will win in this case because it's free and organic traffic. And when it comes to the risk involved, Shopify dropshipping will always win because you don't have to pay for inventory upfront. You just have to test the idea. And if it works, you invest more money into it. That being said, if you're actually serious and committed to starting your own Shopify dropshipping business, I'm opening up 2 more slots this month for the coaching program. So book a call right below in the description. There will be a link to book a free call. I'm going to help you start your business literally from scratch. We're going to do the product research together, website design, and running and testing and scaling the products that we find. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure to book a free call right now. There's only 2 slots this month, and I'll see you in the next one.